Projects are the actual inspections that are supposed to be run on your stores or your warehouses. To create a new project, you can click on Projects from the left menu bar. On this page, you can see all the active projects and you can switch between the Archived and the Drafts tabs to see the archived and draft projects. To create a new project, click on Add New Project. Now on the Project Setup page, you need to start by entering the project title. The Camera Only option ensures that the auditor can only click a picture from the device camera when the question requires an image. It completely disables the image upload from the gallery for the auditor. You can check the box if it is required for the inspection and click Save and Continue. Once the project has been saved, you can now upload the project icon. This icon is displayed in case you want to display a company logo, or an image for this specific inspection. You can choose to upload a project icon, and once you're done, click Save and Continue. Now, select the time zone you want to run the project on. Select a start and an end date for the project. Next, we'll select Adhoc as the schedule here. An Adhoc schedule creates an open inspection that allows an auditor to pick up an inspection at any point of time between the start and the end dates. And also the project can be completed any number of times. Once you're done, click Next to add project locations. Here, select the locations you wish to run the project on and click Save Changes. Once that is done, click Next and select a checklist for your project. If you do not want to select an existing checklist, you can click Add New Template, which will take you to the template creation page. We have selected an existing template and we can click Next. You can choose the groups that you wish to assign the projects and inspections to. The first drop-down allows you to assign the project to the groups of users who will complete the inspections. Click on the drop-down and select the groups. You can also add multiple groups by selecting them one at a time. The second drop-down is the groups that will complete the actions that are created during the inspections. You can choose multiple groups here as well. Once you're all set, click Save and Continue. On the project review page, check that all the details are correct, and click on Launch Project. After you launch the project, you'll be redirected to the Custom Fields page. On this page, you can create a specific input box that an auditor is required to fill before the inspection begins. By default, you can see the location name as a custom field added and the field type is searchable text. What this allows you to do is to search for an inspection report based on the location name. We can also add a custom field as searchable text. You can add an optional hint and description depending on the type of field. And here we'll select Users. Click Save. Now you can also search for inspections based on the auditor name along with the location names. There are multiple types of custom fields. Let's look at the other ones. Click on Add and in the field type, you can see long and short text. These field types allow the auditor to enter long and short text answers. The number field type ensures that the auditor can only enter a number as an answer. We've already looked at searchable text. The date and the time fields require the auditor to choose a date from the calendar, or enter the time in hours and minutes. You can add the custom fields and click Save. Now the final inspection report will carry these 3 pieces of information, along with the answers, to the checklists.